Yeah, I. Greetings again now the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie the first. Seeing? I say what I say in order to influence anybody's opinion or decision. Seeing? And I say what I say because I shed light on certain facts educationally. You get what I say? In regards to denouncing removing the Queen as head of state from Jamaica, it does not give Jamaica the level of independence that some people try imply. You understand what I say? You know, the total freedom and whatever. What it do is diminish, give the Queen a certain level of irresponsibility in regards to the island. It takes away that overseer role, that UK type model law and all that type thing. You understand me? Whereby they oversee and ensure that the governmental affairs are operating according to the UK governmental guideline. You understand me? All Jamaica is gonna do is find some other guidelines to go after. I'm 100% certain them can't design one of them own. You get me? Unless them all just say Rasta, go by Rasta guidelines. You understand me? But again, even with doing so, you see, the conception is freedom. See, while at the end of the day, if you don't have freedom over your finance, you're still enslaved. Now, during the time of independence, emancipation, or whatever they want to call it, so the agreement with every nation where the Queen colonized was that, or where the UK colonized was that she was going to remain in charge of the bank. See? And she copyrighted the name of the country. See? So the name of the country is the bank name. Usually the main bank of the country, Bank of Jamaica, Bank of America, Bank of wherever. Anyway, she did that. See, the bank name, Bank of that country. But essentially it's at the central bank where it's connected to the World Bank, the IMF, them own it. It's not like a Jamaica bank that's being operated or being advised by them. No, a Freedom Bank. You get me? Bank of Jamaica is owned by the Queen. See, in the finance operation, the finance consultation, the advice, them the certain official financial steps, you know, it's still being decided by Britain. See? So, removing the Queen of head of state only give a bit more power to the power-hungry politicians, yeah, who want to appear like they are in charge, really. Or, again, they might appear more in charge. I think they are more in charge to themselves. But then, you don't get me? But really and truly, if you don't have control of your bank and thing like that, and another thing named income tax, where practically every worker in the world will work under the ex-colonies have to pay a thing named income tax. And all of that go to the Queen coffers. Same way. You get what I say? No, that is a tax. So them claim say for the infrastructure where them did set up when them did there in other place. You understand me? When them did colonize it. Me not taking away from the fact say a lot of resources, a lot of treasures, a lot of basically resources were looted and exploited by themselves while they were present, where they were present, you know, wherever them in there. You get what I say? So it's a power struggle, you know, see. And look, I might sound frustrated and defeated, but that's not it still. You don't know. It's a complex understanding. And we know people out there, especially those who are seek to administrate like they have power. Them know how to explain or to, you know, divulge how the thing work, but they don't read it because at the end of the day, them themselves are employee to the Bank of Jamaica, the Bank of Barbados, or whatever. You get what I say? As long as you're under the financial constraint, you're the financial bandage there. You get me? You're not in control. And anybody can go research from me and say and look into the fact. You see, regardless of how powerful a politician want to be or whatever, you'd never dare touch the bank of the country that's run and controlled by the city of London, the city within the city. Understand? A lot of people hear about the city within the city in the Bible and things say the city is just the Vatican City, which is a city within Rome, the city itself. New York City within the city. You get what I say? You have London City within London City, another smaller city, a financial district where you just pay a bank and investors be a multi-billionaire living at a little circumference there. You understand me? It's well secured and things like that. You know, see it, right? Where you say, the clock there in the region of the clock. You know, see it. So, them people that control the Cayman Bank, just doing the own little research, man, and you see what I say. You know, see it. So, until we clear our head and prioritize what's real from what's fake, you know, see, because just imagine all like a prime minister, them and all like a politician, them and tell the queen, say, that she's no longer the head of state, and them sell it in a way where we can, them allow for sell it, if it mean much to the queen, or like a politician, them allow, and governor general, them allow for sell that without any form of challenge, without any form, you know, it just diminish and give more power, diminish a bit of the queen's authority, like probably the courts and things like that, you know. Them power hungry boy get more authority if they be more grievous with them corruption. A bit, you know what I say? Yeah, them just a bit more reward. Yeah, man, you don't know. Do some research and see what I say. More bless. Share, like, and subscribe.